So network interface card or NIC. So this is the network interface card. So what is network interface card or NIC? Network interface card or NIC, also known as a network adapter, LAN card, or network adapter, is a crucial hardware component that enables computers to communicate with other devices on a network. So what does a NIC do? So a NIC provides a dedicated link to a network. It contains the necessary circuits to translate the computer digital data into signals used for data transfer within the network, such as Ethernet or Wi-Fi. So, who invented network interface card? Robert Bob Melancton Metcalfe, born on April 7, 1946, is an American engineer and entrepreneur who contributed to the development of the Internet in the 1970s. He co-invented Ethernet, co-founded 3Com, and formulated Metcalfe's law, which describes the effect of a telecommunications network. Metcalfe has also made several predictions which failed to come to pass, including forecasting the demise of the internet during 1990s.
Type of network interface card NIC. First is the WAR NIC. A WAR NIC refers to a network interface card NIC that connects the computer to a network using physical wire connection, typically through optical cables. These NICs are commonly found on desktop computers, service, and other devices that require reliable and high-speed network connectivity. A USB NIC or USB Network Interface Card is a type of network interface card NIC that connects to a computer's USB port to provide network connectivity. Instead of being integrated into the computer, motherboard or installed is a expansion slot, a USB NIC or an external device that plugs into the USB port. Is the wireless NIC. A wireless NIC or wireless network interface card is a type of network interface card NIC that ena- enables enables a device to connect to a network using wireless signals instead of physical cables. Next is next is the fiber optical NIC. A optic NIC would be a specialized network interface card equipped with the necessary hardware to interface with fiber optic cables. This NIC would typically include op- optical transceivers or converters to convert electrical signals from the computer into optical signals from transmission over the fiber optic cable and vice versa. Vice versa.
NICs come in various types, such as Ethernet NICs for wired connections and Wi-Fi NICs for connections, and facilitate communication by sending and receiving data packets according to network protocols. They typically feature ports of for connecting networks, cables, or antennas, or transmitters for wireless connections, and they required software drivers to enable communications with the device's operating system. NIC support different speeds and standards, with options for integration into the motherboard, installation in expansion slots, or external connection via USB ports, making them essential for enabling network connectivity in various devices and environment. Thank you.